Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering the scale and confirming basic readiness. Remove the battery cover, inspect terminals for corrosion, and swap in fresh batteries. This fixes most power issues. Once done, position the scale on a firm, flat floor, never on carpet, so sensors read consistently. Next, locate the reset or tare control and press according to model instructions to clear error states. You're initiating diagnostic steps that tell you whether the problem is electrical, sensor-related, or simply a calibration issue. Now you move to the heart of the scale, sensors and circuitry. You'll carefully open the case after removing batteries, then visually inspect the load cell, solder joints, and PCB for cracked traces or lifted components. Use a multimeter to verify battery voltage reaches the board and to measure continuity across the load cell. This tells you if the strain gauge is intact. Once done, clean connectors and load cell pivots with isopropyl alcohol to remove grime that causes intermittent readings. Then reassemble and finish by calibrating and confirming consistent operation. You perform the scale's calibration routine using a certified weight, 1 kg or a 5 lb mass, so the firmware maps sensor output to correct values. If diagnostics indicated a bad load cell or damaged PCB, replace that component and repeat calibration. Replacing the display rarely fixes sensor faults. If issues persist, note any error codes and run the calibration twice, testing with several known weights to ensure linear accuracy. One tip: if readings jump, check solder joints again for hairline cracks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.